What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments, man. Back with another video. So we closing off the market week. Palantir is back up to almost 43, 42.96. Nvidia's at near all-time highs. We had Taiwan Semi reporting good earnings. So everything's looking kind of good. It's strangely calm, strangely good. Like I was saying in the last video, these are the last few days, last few weeks before the election. So I don't think anything too crazy is going to happen unless somebody misses their earnings or beat their earnings. So we just waiting on our Palantir earnings. We just hoping for a 30% CAGR. You know what I'm saying? But I also want to talk about this small cap rally. I'm looking at the stocks again. The stocks we were talking about that had their pullbacks was Sofi, rklb, Ionq, all back up. Sofi's back up over that 10. rklb's up again. And Ionq is up another 6%. I'm thinking that those rate hikes that everybody was, rate cuts, not rate hikes. Those rate cuts everybody were talking about that was going to get the small caps riding is not doing it to every stock. The Russell isn't going as crazy, but it's like they said, with the small caps, you kind of got to dig through and find the correct companies. And certain companies in that small cap sector are starting to do their thing. Now, with Ionq, I don't even have a position, but I'm doing research day by day by day. This is how I feel like we find the next plays. Everybody's been saying that quantum computing might be the next big thing after AI. So it's like, while we let Palantir and Nvidia and our AI stocks ride, we got to do research on the next wave. I'm not saying it's time to buy now. I haven't bought yet, but I'm watching the stock. They recovered. They were down on the year. They went on like a 200-something% run from the bottom. They're like flat on the year, only up 6% on the year. So that puts everything in context. But I'm hearing they're making breakthroughs in their field. I'm hearing they might be able to start getting contracts. I'm hearing large price targets. And I'm listening to the competitors. I'm hearing in the quantum computing space, they're competing with like IBM. They're competing with, Google, Microsoft. So it's just a thing we need to pay attention to. It's just something we need to pay attention to. It might be some more money for us. You know what I'm saying? But what I really look for, I look for a company, they got a stronghold like Palantir and Nvidia. Like, I don't like to hear about all them competitors. I want to hear what makes one company better than the other. You know what I'm saying? Like Nvidia. No one can get the chips except for Nvidia until, I guess, Cerebras and AMD and the competitors figure something out. But for now, it's Nvidia. With Palantir, they're basically the only people that ontologize that data right now. So we're looking for that kind of moat. But while I have my largest position in like a Palantir, because I have more faith in them over the next 5, 10 plus years, some of these small cap plays could present some crazy gains over the next year. And that's just why I'm watching them, you know what I'm saying? And that's why I'm letting you guys know about them, because, I invest and I trade, swing trade, all that. So while the way I look at it is, we did our research on Palantir. We're always doing research on Palantir. Always making sure everything's on track. But once you write about a stock and the stock's going up, we can use some of our time to start researching the next stock so we could be up early on the next one. But, those are just my thoughts. Market week over. It got a little rocky. I know they probably scared some people, but we made it. And I'm going to see you guys next week. Market talk. I'm going to still be here this weekend. We're going to be talking about, some more things, maybe some stocks, maybe some life topics. I might even do another shareholder freestyle, you know what I'm saying? Any ideas, let me know in the comments below. But, it's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments. I'm out.